Hello everyone, myself Mr. S.M. Ghanwat, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department at Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering, Yadra. In this session, we are going to discuss important softwares for mechanical engineers. We at Sharad Institute of Technology College of Engineering, Yadra committed to provide industry-ready engineers by providing students different software skills required for industry. We are conducting value-added programs which includes software skills as one of the activity for students per semester to fulfill these requirements additionally along with academics. Now we are going to discuss important softwares for mechanical engineer. There are many software packages used by mechanical engineers, but there are a few that are used consistently throughout industry. The level of proficiency that is required with specific software packages is dependent on your role as an engineer. However, every mechanical engineer should have at least a basic familiarity with most of these software on the list. Now, we are going to start with the first software, that is MathCAD. MathCAD is possibly the one piece of software that is useful to every mechanical engineer, regardless of job function. MathCAD gives you the ability to do math within a document as well as to add relevant images and text to explain your work. You can add plots which either read from arrays of data or which can be linked to defined equations. The results is a beautifully formatted document containing your hand calculations. Now we are going to see the different points associated with MathCAD. Ability to write and evaluate equations, unit conversion, plotting, linear algebra useful for solving 3D static problems, for solving system of linear equations, etc. Symbolic equation solver useful for when you just don't feel like manually solving the integral of some complex equation, and programming useful for numeric analysis. Now we are going to discuss computer aided design software, that is CAD. A 3D CAD computer aided design package is especially useful to any engineer with a focus on design. This software allows you to build 3D models of parts and assemblies. For instance, you could model all the individual parts of an engine and then combine them into an assembly. This will allow you to ensure that all of the parts fit together as intended. Many CAD packages allow you to do things like allow motion of parts, that is, to allow a shaft to rotate and to check for interferences between parts. Most CAD packages have a drafting component that allows you to create 2D drawings of your parts so that they can be manufactured. Many CAD tools also have direct integration into an FEA finite element analysis package, so you can iterate seamlessly between design and analysis. Popular examples of 3D CAD software includes Unigraphics, that is NX, CATIA, Fusion 360, ProE, Autodesk Inventor, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, etc. and many more. Now we are going to discuss the computer-aided manufacturing software, that is CAM. Computer-aided manufacturing software is a tool or program that uses numerical control to create detailed instructions that drive CNC machines. CAM software streamlines the machining process and automates action like drilling and cutting, which makes it ideal for high quality manufacturing. CAM software prepares a drawing for production, which is considered the last step in the design process. For the reason, you can think of CAM software as slicer software that translates drawing and data into detailed instructions to drive an automated tool. CAM software uses G codes to communicate directly with the control machines. As a programming language generated from a drawing, this G code instructs the tool on what to do. For example, it will tell the motors where to move, how fast to move, and the programmed path they should follow. The list of CAM software includes CAMWorks, CATIA, EdgeCam, eSpirit, Fusion 360, MasterCam, Siemens, NXCam, SolidCam, SolidWorks Cam, and many more softwares are available for CAM, that is computer aided manufacturing. Now we will proceed further with the next point, that is finite element analysis softwares or FEA softwares. It is also termed as CAE, computer aided engineering. Finite element analysis is useful to any engineer that needs to perform structural analysis. This software allows you to analyze stresses and deflections in complex structures. Popular example includes ANSYS and Nastran. Typically, a structure will be modeled in a 3D CAD program, then ported over to the FEA software. Previously, the porting process involved exporting the CAD model to a file format that could then be interpreted by the FEA software. But now many FEA packages integrate directly with CAD packages to make the transition seamless. Once the geometry is built, a mesh is created to discretize the structure into elements. Forces and constraints are applied and then the model can be solved. From the solved model, you can interrogate stresses and deflection in the structure. The list of CE softwares include MATLAB, Fusion 360, Solid Edge, Inventor, Abacus, HyperWorks, and ANSYS. The next software that we are going to discuss is a programming language, that is Python. Python is a general purpose programming language with a strong capability for scientific programming. Because of this, Python is an excellent alternative to MATLAB. Python is open source and many useful libraries are actively developed and maintained by the widespread Python community. Comparable functionality to MATLAB can be achieved by installing the NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib libraries. There are many other scientific libraries available such as pandas that are worth looking into as well. One major advantage of Python beside the price of free is that it is a general purpose programming language. It is not specifically tailored to scientific programming, although it is excellent for that. This means that you can use it to do many other things beside numerical analysis such as work with your file systems, manage a database, or build a website. In this session, we have discussed the most familiar softwares for mechanical engineers. Thank you for patience listening.